Welcome to Practice Easy English.
In this video, we're gonna make a dialogue between two friends, Zakia and Zoya, that'll help you learn English easily and quickly, focusing on a trip planning that will help in learning easy English conversations. So let's start the dialogue. Hey Zakia, we've been dreaming about going on a trip for ages. Let's actually make it happen this time, okay?
Yeah, sure. Zoya! I'm super excited. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking maybe Lahore or Karachi. Both sound amazing, but I need your opinion.
Lahore sounds absolutely fantastic, rich history, delicious food, and vibrant culture. I'd love to experience the Lahore vibe.
Great, I agree. Lahore is perfect. Should we go for a 3-day trip or maybe extend it?
Yeah, 3 to 4 days would be perfect. We can cover the main spots without rushing.
Let's plan it for next month during the long weekend. That way, we'll have enough time.
Good idea. Planning it around the long weekend means we won't need to take too much leave from work, and we can fully enjoy the trip.
Awesome. I'll check train availability and book the tickets as soon as possible.
And I'll start looking at hotels and maybe some local guest houses. I want to experience the authentic culture, so I'll read reviews and pick a cozy place with good food.
That's smart. We should also make a short itinerary like visiting Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, and enjoying local cuisine.
Definitely. I'll list the must-see attractions and we can decide which activities we want to prioritize, like exploring bazaars or sightseeing.
We should also think about the budget. I'll estimate transport, stay, and food costs so we can plan our expenses wisely.
Once the bookings are done, we should confirm the packing list, comfortable shoes, and a camera for photos.
Right, I'll make a checklist, light clothes, shoes, and a portable charger for our phones.
I'm really looking forward to this adventure. It'll be a great chance to explore and talk with locals to learn about its history.
Me too. I am so excited to explore Lahore and its rich history. It is famous as Pakistan's cultural heart.
That's true. I always wanted to visit this beautiful city. So when are we going?
Sounds like a plan. Let's meet tomorrow to finalize everything and make our trip booking official.
Perfect. I'll bring the itinerary draft and you can bring the budget sheet. Can't wait to explore Lahore.
This trip is going to be epic, and we'll come back with awesome memories.
Absolutely. It'll be an unforgettable experience.
This was an amazing and easy conversation between two friends. If you ever have visited any of your favorite place, just share your beautiful memories in the comments section.